called a road, it's called
These are the internet's most iconic moments. We've all seen them, shared them, laughed at them, but let's be honest, have we ever seen them clearly? Back in the early days of the web, videos were tiny, compressed, and super pixelated. Our phones were low res, internet speeds were slow, and most clips never went beyond GIF4OP. They became legends but always trapped in blurry quality. Some latest clips may also be blurry because of frequent transmission or steaming. The good news is AI can now bring these clips back to life, restoring clarity we've never seen before. Today I will introduce VidHex Video Enhancer, an AI-powered tool designed to restore and upgrade old, blurry videos. And it works with just one click. Here are the main features. Resolution upscaling. VidHex upscales low-res footage to full HD or even 4K so you can finally see every expression, every move. Blur and noise removal. Blurry pixels and noisy frames are replaced with smooth, detailed clarity. Color enhancement. VidHex restores washed-out colors, making old clips feel brand new. Detail recovery. It even brings back lost details you thought were gone forever. How to use VidHex. Step 1. Search VidHex on your browser and download it from the official website. Step 2. Launch VidHex and click at File S to import your moment. Step 3. Choose an AI model and set output options. Step 4. Export and wait for the process. Now, let's take a look at these classics, probably the first time you're seeing them this clearly. Enjoy the HD clips and laugh for fun again. This is all of the video. So if you want to relive those legendary internet moments or upgrade your own old videos, try VidHex Video Enhancer. Don't let your memories stay blurry. Make them shine again.